So to differentiate it, we'll get f of x is equals to 2x squared over 2 plus 13x over 2 plus 6 over 2. And that gives us f of x is equals to x squared plus 13 over 2x plus 3. When you differentiate f dash of x, sometimes they call it dy over dx. There's two things for differentiation. Number one, multiply by the power. Multiply by the power. And number two, subtract 1 from the power. Subtract 1 from the power. So in formula, if it's like x to the power n, dy over dx, it would be you multiply by the power and then subtract 1. So you multiply by the power, that's times n, and then you subtract 1. So for this one, we got 2 there. We multiply by 2 and then minus 1. So f dash of x would be 2x. This one is x to the power 1 there. So we multiply by 1 and then we minus 1. So it becomes 13 over 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it becomes plus 13 over 2, x to the power 0, which that will change to 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Plus this 3 there, the 3 is like x to the power 0 next to it. So we multiply by 0 and minus 1. So that gives us 0. So your answer, f dash of x, is 2x plus 13 over 2. And the question says we should find f dash of 4. That means we take this 4 and replace x there. So that will be 2 times 4 plus 13 over 2. And your calculator will do that for you. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 13 over 2 gives you your answer. So if you write that down, that's what the process of differentiation. What I'm interested in is this differentiation. You will get it in paper 1, you'll get it in paper 2, and you'll get like 4 questions in your A levels that involves differentiation. So it's like something you don't want to forget. It comes in like 4 questions all the time I've been teaching. So it's like in paper 1, you see it like in 2 questions. In paper 2, you see it like in 2 questions. There are different ways for differentiation. There's product rule, there's chain rule, there's quotient rule. We'll be learning more and more of those different techniques, but this basic one stays the same. This stays the same, and we're adding more to it. So if you write this down and then